Yo, what's up, you guys? It's me, Master Gamer. Today I'm with my brother.
Hi.
And we are doing the Crossbar Challenge Part 15. Let's do this. Don't celebrate, we're just going to see how many times we can hit it. I've hit it once. I just hit it then, Evan. It counts, okay? It counts. Yes, I've hit it twice.
No winners, remember.
Yeah, it's no winners.
Oh! That was nappy ball. Don't kick yet. Don't.
Right, so guys, Evan's on 0 and I'm on 2.
The one on 1.
Right. I'm on 2.
Don't kick.
Mom.
Don't kick it. Don't kick it.
Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Let's smash it. Oh, that counts. That counts. Oh my god.
And on the back. You have to just hit it hard.
Right,
And you have to hit it hard.
I've hit it 3
You have
times.
to hit it hard.
I'm going to smash it again. Oh.
You have to hit it hard. Remember?
You don't have to hit it hard. If you just tap it. Evan. Hey! That was a good one. You're on 2 or no 1.
No, 2.
Yeah, 2. I'm on 3. Oh, 3.
Right? Oh.
Wait, what?
Kyle.
Oh, what?
Kyle. I'll take something. If it does, it's up. If it does, but if it does, it's boom, boom.
Yeah.
And if it
And if
doesn't,
it bounces off the wall and hits it, that counts.
yeah.
So all of that
And
counts.
if it does, it's bam.
Yes, okay.
And
Okay!
then that and that.
Okay!
That counts.
We're both on 3, for God's sake. You missed. Yes! Oh!
That's just,
That was 4.
oh.
I'm on 4. Wait, Evan. Wait, you ready?
Hit it for me.
Ready?
Get it. That's it. Yeah. Just go.
I'm on 4. You're on 4. Oh, look. Hang on.
That was
I'm on 5. Evan, it went like this. It went bang, bang.
okay. That counts.
Oh my.
5.
You're doing so good today.
Ashley's gonna go like this. Oh my god, Evan's doing so good. Isn't he? He's just
So
doing
if
like
you
that.
was here. If you was here.
What?
If you was here. We're both on 5. Oh, I'm on 6. It hit it and then bounced off the wall.
Let
Oh, yes. Yes. I'm on 7, boys. I'm on 7
me
now.
catch up. Let me catch up.
I'm on 7. This is so far the best crossbar challenge we have ever done. Go on, Evan. Oh! 6! You're on 6, Evan.
Let me catch up.
Oh, wow.
Let me catch up.
Oh.
Oh, how could you be set up?
3.
I don't keep it.
Oh!
Right. Let me have 3 goes. Let me have 3 goes.
I'm on 8, I think. Yeah, am I on 8?
Let me have 3 goes.
Am I on 8, Evan?
Let me have 2 goes.
Evan! I'm on 8. You're on 6.
Let me have 2 goes.
bounce. Okay, that's alright, that's alright.
You're allowed to go on grass because
I'm on 9. I'm on 9, Evan. It hit! Evan, it hit it. It bounced off the wall and then hit.
oh, so that's 9.
Yeah, you're on 9. I'm on 9 as well. Move! If you get on 10, let me touch it.
Okay. I was just waiting.
This is the best crossbar challenge ever.
Yeah. What is this?
Evan, I don't, this is crossbar challenge for 15. I don't know what's going on, we're both on 9. Evan's never been this good in this way.
Well, I am now. Am I? Oh my god.
Oh, I'm on 10, I'm on 10.
Let me capture.
I'm on 10. Oh, that hit.
Because it went like this.
Guys, I don't know. What's happened to my hair? I don't think you say, but I don't know what's happened to my hair. But me and Evan saw it. That hit, didn't it, Evan?
Yeah, it went like this.
Yes, it did. We're both on 10. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh! I'm on 11.
No, I am. Because you hit it for me.
No, you can kick it. You can kick with any ball. Evan, you're still on 10. Is it? Bang! Oh, that hit.
Because it went like this.
We're both on 11.
Oh, bam.
We're both on 11. I don't know what. Yes! Oh, it hit.
Right, let me catch you up.
I know. I'm on 12.
This is the best day in my life.
Best crossbar challenge ever.
Oh, fun.
I did it for you, so we're both on 12.
I'm going to shoot from here. I'm going to shoot from here this time.
That it! I saw Evan!
I know! It went like this. Oh, didn't it?
I'm trying from here.
Come on.
Oh, what?
You catch up. Well, I don't
Wait, you're on 13, aren't you?
Yeah, no, you catch up.
It's the best crossbar challenge ever, isn't it?
You're on 12 and I'm 13, so I'm just waiting. Easy.
Oh.
Yes.
We're both on 13.
13, 14.
You missed.
Oh, yeah. Oh. How? Oh, no, that hit. Good look.
Evan, are we both on 13?
Maybe.
Yes, I hit it. I'm on 14.
Let me catch up.
We both get to 15. Come on, Evan. Come on. Come on, Evan. We both need to hit. You need to hit it 2 more times. Come on, Evan. Come on. Hit it. No, give me the ball. Give me the ball, Evan.
Right, let me just... Right,
Give me the ball.
right, I'm going to ollie it instead.
Oh,
From here.
Okay.
What's this one?
You don't hit it. No! Give me the ball.
Come.
Give me the ball.
Damn it. I'm going to try with this.
Evan, no. Evan. There you go.
Not it. Let me try with this. Not it. We'll just show you if it does this. Wait, that was great. We're both on 15.
We've done it. No, actually, no. Right, we're both on 14.
Right,
My turn. Just need to hit it one more time. Come on, Evan. Oh.
Next. I know what it is.
Oh. We're both on 14. Come on, we need to get to 15.
Oh.
so tired.
I'm trying to catch it.
I'm so tired.
Oh, that's
so sad.
it.
Did it?
It went like this.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this cross fun challenge. Make sure you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new on here. Subscribe. Bye.
Skeezer! Wait, Skeezer!